I hope you are in good condition of health and fit. Today we will learn how to use EndNote in Microsoft Office. Sometimes while installing EndNote, a problem arises in which EndNote is not appear in your Word file. So we will see how to resolve this issue and how to use EndNote while using your Microsoft Office Word. So, for installing your EndNote, keep in view that you should have shut your Word file close. If you make it open while installing EndNote, then it will cause problems like that. That EndNote will not appear in your Word file. And if you are installing Microsoft Office also along with EndNote, then make it sure that you are installing Microsoft Office first and then EndNote, so that EndNote will adjust in Microsoft Office. So while installing both of these softwares, you should take these precautions. After that, uh, so how we can use EndNote in Microsoft Office? Today we will learn that. Suppose you are going to write something, uh, any sentence you are going to write. Right? I write that iron is paramagnetic. Now you have to add reference in that. So you can see on the top bar there is an option of EndNote. You have to open it and going there insert option. Your EndNote installed previously will open. Then you can search here whatever the reference you want to adding. Suppose the name of the author is starting with A. You write A and find here are the author's name starting with A and others. If we want to add this, double click this. The reference will be added in this style, and you can see that the reference is written at the last of the every document. So if you want to change the style, that how these references are added, you can go up there style option. You can change this. If we select APA6 style, you can see that the um, reference number is disappeared and a small description of the reference author and the year he published his paper is written there. So similarly you can change further. If you select this, then a comprehensive description of the journal is here, in which you can see reference type, record number, author name, in which year he published, title, journal, and much more. Similarly, you can change according to your need. If you select this, you are having numbered, but the number is in the square brackets, and at the last of the your text will be the description of that reference. So you can select this style according to your taste, and you can also uh, download the EndNote styles. There are few styles because I have installed EndNote recently and I have not changed much. But you can download other style by selecting this, and you can see that these are the other styles. So according to your need, you can select this. Now these are the ways how you can see the EndNote delivering the message. Now have to change some settings in Google Chrome or whatever the web you are using for importing the references from there. So if we are using Google Scholar for reading or researching, we can go there and uh, go to the left corner and three lines, select this, go to the settings. You can see that bibliography manager. Here is the bibliography manager, and I have already selected EndNote setting. Um, by default, it will be bibtext. You have to select EndNote. By selecting EndNote, save this. You can easily import any of your reference to the endnote. Here you can see that the last line of description of any research paper. First option is save. If you want to read later, then you can save this by starring. If you want to cite this in your paper, you can select this option. And here is the information that how many other people cited this paper, and other things are there. Last is the import endnote. You have to select this option, and now the reference is downloaded, but before using it you have to open it once in the endnote. And here is the description that your reference is downloaded in the endnote dictionary. EndNote generally form its own library of authors and their references. So the reference is gone to the EndNote library. If you want to add this reference to your Word file, you simply see the name. The name is Mink. Remember that. Here, go to your site of interest where you have to paste this reference. Insert, select insert option and search here Mink. Find here. Here is the reference you have to add. Like this, you can simply add the reference in your text file. And the description of the reference is always put at the last of every text, as you well aware of that. This is one method you can add reference in your Microsoft file. The other and simple option is that just when you download the reference, open the reference in the EndNote file and go to the option Insert Citation. By selecting this, you will directly go to the Word file open or you are working on, and you can simply paste that.